Yeah.
Following your dreams is a lonely, solitary, scary, dangerous pursuit. You can't wait for somebody to think you can do it. And it's like because they don't think you can do nothing they can't do.
Exactly, bingo.
Right? You know what I mean? It's like it's a lonely, scary, dangerous pursuit, and you got to be willing to risk everything to become that seed of what you believe is in there. You got to be fearless. You got to be relentless.
Okay, so if you've stumbled upon this video, it's true, I'm moving. I think after a little bit of time, I just thought to myself, like, I need to do what's best for myself and what's best for my mental health and happiness. And the past year has been absolutely life-changing. And if I didn't do what I'm about to do in a couple weeks, I think I'd regret it for the rest of my life. So, and I'm so excited, I'm so nervous, I'm so scared. I have so many emotions going through my head, but one thing I do know is I am proud of myself and I am ready. So, yeah, I'll see you guys soon. So.